The enchanting dance among the stars in the sky caused unexpected changes in the universe. As a being existing in this cosmos, I want to share the effects of the galactic collision with a heartfelt narrative. At night, the stars were disappearing one by one, and our encounter with a distant galaxy was rapidly unfolding. The sky was shining in a different color than we were accustomed to. The light of the stars, merging with the collision, was creating a new visual spectacle. The changes in the sky not only affected the scenery, but also stirred excitement within us. Initially, individual collisions among the stars were rare due to the immense distances between them. However, interactions among the vast gas and dust clouds on a galactic scale were visibly striking. Colorful nebulas and bright star clusters were part of this grand dance in space. In the midst of these magical moments, I felt the excitement of getting closer to the mysteries of the universe. Over time, the cores of galaxies approached each other. At the moment of first contact, gravitational waves altered the structure of the galaxy. Stars began a new dance, some approaching each other, while others were leaving the galaxy. Each star's story carried the weight of being part of this colossal collision. The changes in the sky were about to impact our lives. Days became brighter, and nights became more dramatic and colorful. Planets carried the burden of being part of this grand rendezvous across the galaxy. In the universal dance, I contemplated the meaning of being human and witnessing this enchanting process. However, this process didn't only affect the sky. It brought about changes in life itself. Plants and animals attempted to adapt to the new gravitational order. Humans sought ways to adapt their technologies to confront the unknown. Feeling the value of each moment empowered us in this universal adventure. One day, the sky completely transformed. The encounter with the Andromeda Galaxy was complete, giving rise to a new galaxy. The grand dance among the stars was just a note in the grand picture of the universe. However, I will not forget this extraordinary moment. The new scenes in the sky brought me closer to the mysteries of the universe, and I continue to explore the traces left by the galactic collision. Humanity, as part of this grand dance, bravely moves towards the unknown depths of the universe. Thus, the end of the great dance among the stars arrived. The sky, once illuminated by the gentle light of the stars, was now covered in the shadow of the galactic collision. As the stars disappeared one by one, we moved towards an end in the profound silence of the universe. Each twinkle carried the trace of a lost story. The colorful nebulas and bright star clusters in the sky were echoes of this once magical moment. Humanity, as part of this universal tragedy, continued to progress in the midst of uncertainty. The changes in the sky brought not only a change in scenery, but also an internal melancholy. However, this change and uncertainty reminded humanity of the value of life and the preciousness of the moment. The universal adventure in the sky turned our curiosity and courage into a journey of discovery towards the unknown. And thus, as the stars disappeared from the sky, humanity, perhaps on the threshold of a new beginning, where true discovery and meaning begin in the midst of this uncertainty, took a step towards infinity.